Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a Shovelhead starter, okay? The difference is you ain't just got your Prestolite, you got a 1.4 kilowatt baby. This will turn over the QE2, okay? Comes complete with all this mechanism built in. Now, every shovel seems to have a different one of these, okay? Different system, all right? This particular one, as you can see here, is for 86 to 88, okay? Which is for mine. This is why I bought this one, but it's just to show you what we can get, okay, within a week, all right? We also do these babies, as you can see, it's like a Prestolite with all the guns all built in, you know, very, very powerful, 1.4 kilowatt stock, wouldn't even be 700, and to be honest, if you got a shovel, it'd be absolutely wanked out anyway by now. But this particular one, as I say, 86 to 88, we also do them 80 to 85 FLHT FXR models, rubber mounted, 5-speed tranny exposed rear chain. Also, we do 79 to early 84 with 4-speed tranny and rear chain drive. Okay, check all this, beautifully made, as you can see. And finally, all big twins, 67 to early 79 with solid mount. So this will actually do the very early bikes as well. So if you're interested in anything like this, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.